Now, I've made over $1 million as an affiliate marketer over the years, and most of this income has come from creating blog content that looks like this. But guys, the game is changing and it's changing fast. These days, smart affiliate marketers who actually make money are leveraging AI and systems to scale their content and sales. And that's why today I'm super excited to showcase my brand new affiliate marketing workflow that's helping me pump out content that actually converts and generates revenue. Now, this workflow includes using i10x, a powerful AI workspace that I'm using to power all of my actual content writing and creation. Plus, I'll be sharing the main network I'm sourcing offers from, including one network that's paid me over $500,000 to date. There's tons of secret sauce in this one. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. So guys, I'll cut right to the chase. This blog post of mine is 100% generated by AI and then touched up with human edits. And you want to know the crazy thing? This single piece of content and affiliate offer now makes hundreds of dollars per week in revenue and has generated thousands of dollars in commissions in its lifetime. And this is just one piece of content and one particular offer. These days, I'm using AI and systems to create over 90% of content for my different online businesses and blogs. And guys, this has been an absolute game changer for my entire affiliate marketing journey. And guys, the main tool I'm using to power all of this is called i10x. And i10x is an AI workspace that basically takes the latest models from Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and rolls them all into one tool. And it actually has a new SEO content creation feature that I've been using to create affiliate content that actually ranks on search engines and AI searches as well. So guys, I'm going to walk you through how this SEO content creation workflow actually functions, but more importantly, how you can use this content to rank in search results and actually generate revenue as an affiliate marketer. Also, I'll be linking i10x down below if you want to check them out and also try out this workflow for yourself. Plans start at just $8 per month, which is honestly insane for how much value you get out of this thing. And you can also use my code TOMK15 to get 15% off your plan while helping to support the channel. Again, I'll be linking them down below. They'll be in the pinned comment. And now let me show you how this new affiliate marketing workflow actually works. So guys, once you sign up for i10x, you'll see a workspace with all kinds of options like an AI chatbot, image and video generation features, and even AI agents. Now, I've covered how all of these features work in my i10x review, which I've also posted on this channel and I'll put somewhere in the card above. But today I want to focus on how you can use i10x to create monetizable affiliate content, and guys, this workflow is going to blow your mind. So to get started, just head over to the Create SEO Content page. This tool basically lets you create blog posts, reviews, tutorials, and other in-depth content that's designed to rank on search engines and LLMs. And guys, really the best way to understand how this feature works is just to show you. And so for this example, I'm going to create a post about Branded Surveys, which is a popular paid survey website and also one of my main affiliate offers. To get started, all I have to do is enter the website I'm publishing on, which in this case is one of my blogs, The Budget Diet. I then enter my main topic and the main keyword I'm targeting, and I also pick the tone of voice for this particular blog post. Next, you enter more details about your blog topic and you enter your brand name. Then you pick the target audience, knowledge level, target word count, and content format. From there, all you have to do is enter a competitor article and then you enter your email to get the final results sent to you once i10x is done. Now from here, i10x is going to take about 10 to 30 minutes to actually conduct deep research and then create an article for you. And again, it will deliver the final product to your email inbox. And really, there's a few things I want to highlight here really quickly. Firstly, giving as much detail as possible with the more detail section really helps. And I also suggest putting in a very strong competitor article to help i10x reference this when it's creating its content. And guys, I'm just showing you a blog post in this example, but i10x's SEO feature can create a bunch of different content types. I mean, it can make how-to guides, newsletters, product descriptions, product reviews, FAQs. It's honestly super comprehensive and it's so easy to use. But anyways, guys, after about 15 minutes, i10x sent me an email letting me know that my new Branded Surveys review is ready. I'll scroll through here and you guys can see that it's honestly pretty solid out of the box. It has a comprehensive intro, it has details about how Branded Surveys works, including specifics like its loyalty program, there's information about cashing out, there's reviews from other members and Trustpilot, and there's a pros and cons list and even an FAQ and troubleshooting section. And guys, this is basically the core kind of content you would want as an affiliate marketer if you're posting this on social media or you're posting it on your blog or you're sharing it with your email newsletter, because this is actually the kind of content that converts people into customers. But the thing is, I'm not done yet and I'm gonna put my finishing touches on this piece before I actually publish it and start promoting. And so all I do to get started is copy paste i10x index his content over into my WordPress dashboard, since this is where I host my content websites like The Budget Diet. From here, I start adding a bit of my own flair and touches to this piece. For example, I add things like my YouTube video about branded surveys, I add some screenshots from my branded surveys account, and I add my own personal payment proof from branded surveys as well. And guys, this is really the difference between publishing affiliate content that's just okay, and then affiliate content that actually ranks and actually drives conversions. In this example, i10x is doing all of the hard work and doing the deep research and actually putting the content together, but it's still important that you add your final touches and make the piece stand out from the competition. But yeah, once I do that, I'm basically ready to hit publish. So this took like a couple minutes of prompting, a bit of waiting, and then a bit of editing, and I now have an affiliate piece of content that's ready to go live. So guys, let's talk about marketing, because we've now created a piece of affiliate content, but you actually have to drive traffic to this content if you want to start generating revenue. Now, hopefully this branded surveys review can rank on Google over time, or it can rank on AI search results. But again, let's not just cross our fingers and hope. Let's actually take some action here so we can make money with this new content. And so for starters, it's important that we actually monetize this content that's just gone live on our website. And for the monetization side of things, I use a bunch of affiliate networks to source all of my offers from. Now, I've covered my favorite affiliate marketing tools and networks in a different video, and I'll put that in the card above. But for branded surveys, the actual network I get this offer from is called Panthera. And this offer pays me around $5 every time I send a conversion to branded surveys. And you guys can see here in my earning history that branded surveys is one of my main offers I'm running, and it earns money every single day. Now, once I'm approved for this offer, I literally just have to take this affiliate link and put it into my content, and I've now monetized my new content. It is that simple. Now from here, there's a couple of ways to start generating traffic to this new piece of monetized content while we wait for it to hopefully rank in Google and AI search results. And really guys, one of my favorite methods I recommend starting with is to start leveraging Pinterest. You can basically create Pinterest graphics for this content and then post it on Pinterest. This is a super low effort way to get a bit of traffic, and you can also use i10x to generate some pretty decent pin graphics in a couple of seconds that you then post on Pinterest. It might take you a couple of weeks or months to warm up a Pinterest account, but I definitely recommend testing this out because Pinterest can be a gold mine for so many niches. Now, a second option you can explore is promoting this new affiliate content to your email list. So for context, I run an email newsletter with about 22,000 people on it who are all interested in making money online. So I'll send out this blog post review to them, and some of them will convert into branded surveys users. And similarly, if you're creating affiliate content but you don't have an email newsletter yet, you can just start posting this content on social media. I think sharing this content on Reddit is a great way to get started. You can post on Facebook, you can make Instagram theme pages, you can make TikTok content about this affiliate content and promote it that way. You have to get a little bit creative because this is free traffic at the end of the day, but you definitely can drive some traffic to your new content and begin getting sales. And again, these are just a few examples, and hopefully the content you're creating ranks on search results over time. But again, you might as well take action and do some more active marketing while you wait. So guys, I just showed you how to do this with branded surveys in this example, but honestly, this affiliate marketing workflow works for so many different offer types and different niches out there. I'll also scroll through some of my affiliate earnings dashboard so you can see that this kind of content strategy does work. Like, take a look at one of my impact accounts as an example. You can see that to date, I've earned over $500,000 with this kind of affiliate content. And it's for all kinds of offers like survey sites, budgeting apps, gig economy gigs, investing apps, and more. But again, this strategy works for so many other kinds of niches. And as long as you're creating valuable content with i10x and putting your own touch and spin on it, you can find success with the exact same strategy. Again, affiliate marketing is really about creating valuable content and then figuring out distribution. But i10x makes all of this way faster, way cheaper, and way simpler than ever before. But speaking of things being cheaper, let's talk about pricing right now, because you're probably wondering, how much does i10x actually cost and what should I expect from this new AI-powered workflow? Well, really guys, to use the SEO content feature I've showcased, you'll want to upgrade to at least the basic plan to unlock the SEO content feature. And this plan costs $8 per month when paid annually, or $10 when you pay monthly. And this also gets you 2,500 monthly credits for use with features like SEO content creation. Now guys, this is more than enough for you to start testing out i10x and to get some blog posts into the wild that are monetized. And it is also way cheaper than paying for a bunch of separate AI subscriptions independently. And when you scale past this, the unlimited plan only costs $17.50 monthly when you pay annually, which is also a steal. And again, guys, with this workflow, if you get one single article to rank well and get traffic to a decent affiliate offer, you can easily cover the cost of the subscription and make way more. And it's also way faster than writing all of the content manually yourself. Plus, like I said, you can also use the code TOMK15 to get 15% off your i10x plans while also helping to support the channel. But anyways, guys, that does it for my new affiliate marketing SEO workflow and how you can use AI tools like i10x to make the whole thing way faster and easier than ever before. Now guys, one thing I will say is I can't promise you any results. Results aren't guaranteed. And also affiliate marketing isn't the kind of side hustle you're going to start and then magically make money overnight. So please have some realistic expectations here. But honestly, I'm someone who's made my living with affiliate marketing since 2018. It's one of my main revenue sources. It's how I make money across a number of different online businesses. And that's why I'm excited to share this new AI workflow with you, because I honestly think it's making this kind of thing way more accessible than ever before. In the past, you had to write all of the content yourself, which took ages, or you had to have a large enough budget to hire a team of freelance writers. Now for $8 a month, you can do all of this pretty quickly, again, without spending a fortune and without spending hours and hours of time. So I think it's absolutely awesome. Again, it's not going to magically work overnight, and a lot of affiliate content needs weeks or months to actually rank on Google or to rank in AI search results. So really it's about being consistent and patient, but you can stack wins over time and begin earning money as an affiliate marketer as long as you stay consistent and put in the work. So yeah, I encourage you guys, create an account with i10x, give it a try out the SEO content creation feature, and you can also let me know down in the comments what you think about it and what you think about this overall AI workflow in general. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.